The Bitcoin price is crashing right before our eyes, and we need to prepare for what's potentially going to happen next. So, ladies and gentlemen, strap in because this is going to be one heck of a stream. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. So where do we begin, ladies and gentlemen? Maybe we should take a moment to humble these Moonboy degenerates who told the Don that we could never drop lower again. Little Jimmy sleeping in a van down by the river, trying to tell Don Carbonaccio that it doesn't matter that the US dollar index was on a rip, trying to tell the Don that it didn't matter that the global economic situation was not looking favorable. Where here we are today, little Jimmy, under 32,000 USD for the Bitcoin price. Let's get this crypto right on track with what the Don has been showing you that we could be right now in a potentially heinous, gigantic bear flag pattern with a target, I kid you not, folks, a target roughly of 14,000 USD. Let's get this crypto. The Don is fired up. And now we're going to get into the bulk of this stream. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know on my last stream, I pointed out that the average loss for Bitcoin in a bear market is minus 82% to the downside. If you add all of these drops up, divide them, you get a minus 82% average. So if we take our price range tool from the all-time high and drop it down to the average of minus 82%, ladies and gentlemen, this also gives us a target here. This one is roughly 12,500, and it falls eerily in confluence here with this line that was support back in 2017 after our bubble pop. Then it turned into resistance. Then in 2019, it was the cycle top. Then here in 2020, it was our final resistance before we blasted up above 60,000. So seeing the average drawdown of roughly minus 82% fall right along this line, I don't know about you folks, but I'm paying very close attention to it. And right now, really, the most important thing for me here is that the DXY, the US dollar index, ladies and gentlemen, it is testing a decade-long high. I kid you not, folks. If we go all the way back into 2012, you can see that we are testing a decade-long high here. Let's get this crypto. I mean, you're going to hear it from all of the crypto pundits, the Moonboy degenerates of the internet. The US dollar, it's inflating, Kirby. That means that Bitcoin must succeed and that the US dollar is collapsing. Well, little Jimmy and your $600 stimmy, you rapscallion degenerate. Do you see what's happened to the Bitcoin price over the past several months? And do you see what's happened here to the US dollar index over the past several months, Stunad? The exact opposite of what the pundits told you, ladies and gentlemen. And here on this channel, in the house that Don Carbonaccio built, I pointed out that we were possibly in a bullish W pattern, and that if we were to break this very specific line here at about a 94, that we could see a springboard to the upside, and that this could put heinous sell pressure on the Bitcoin price. Let's get this crypto. And what do you know, folks? Here we are today, the Bitcoin and crypto market crashing and the DXY ripping up into higher and higher territory. And if we take a look here at the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, ticker symbol GBTC, folks, as I pointed out on my last stream, if you are subscribed to this channel, GBTC currently is trading at around a minus 25% discount to spot Bitcoin. Okay, this particular instrument here generally trades at a premium or a discount in relationship to the Bitcoin price. And the reason that this happens is because when you're investing in this vehicle here, you can't withdraw the Bitcoin. You're basically just purely speculating on the price of Bitcoin. So it's never generally the same price. It's either you're paying a premium to do so in very bullish conditions, or you're generally paying a discount to do so when there are more net sellers than buyers in any given situation. Let's get this crypto. Now, understand what's going on here, folks. Very similar structure to Bitcoin spot chart where we're seeing a potential bear flag. And if we take this here and clone it, right, this gives us our extrapolated measured move. We drag it to the now confirmed breakdown point. You see, we have a clean breakout point here, right? So let's drag this right over to where this goes, and this gives us our target. Ladies and gentlemen, I mean, this may sound harsh, right? But the target is down at about $4 USD. I mean, if we take a trend line and we draw it from the bottom of the measured move here, I mean, this area certainly does have a lot of confluence. Now, I know, again, I'm not going to go off on a tangent here. Just understand, many people will lose their minds when I show them something like this, just the same as they lost their minds when I pointed out on this very chart, ladies and gentlemen, that I did not like that we had a bearish divergence on this chart because this trades at a premium or a discount, right? When Bitcoin made another higher high, which was the all-time high, right? Over here was about 65,000. Then Bitcoin spot went up higher to about 69,000. This chart, on the other hand, this instrument, GBTC, put in a lower high. And I said, ladies and gentlemen, to me, this is an absolute warning shot fired. And it was. And we've actually been in a bear market ever since. So to say that it's impossible that GBTC could wind up somewhere down in this region, below $10 USD, I don't think that it's anything too crazy. I mean, to me right now, it looks like we could be on a swift and utter drop down into the $18 to $15 range here to test all of this confluence. Like I said, it front runs the Bitcoin price. Right now, this is trading at a discount, meaning the price action to the downside is going to be faster and more heinous than the spot price. And we're seeing that right now, right? The drop out of this pattern, it's happened a lot quicker than it has on Bitcoin thus far, all right? And if that wasn't enough for the smooth brains, well, let's take a look here, folks. This is the Bitcoin CME futures chart. Now, if you're a long-time subscriber on this channel, you would know I've outlined so many times just how often gaps fill on this chart, going all the way back to the inception back in late 2017. You could see all of these little yellow squiggles that I have drawn on the chart here, ladies and gentlemen. These are just gaps that have filled time and time and time again. I mean, almost with 100% accuracy, not perfect 100%, but nearly 100% perfect accuracy. You could see we can even squiggle some more in here, right? I mean, do it on your own time. Just understand, we just made a new gap here, but the most intriguing part of this whole thing to me is that we still have a gap here at 24,500 and another gap here at 18.2K. And if you'd like to put this under a microscope and look at it, you could see we have that one right there. And if we move this here as well, you could see the other one is right there. Now, of course, past performance does not indicate future results. And I'm not saying that we have to fill these gaps. I'm just saying that we have that bear flag in play. The DXY is still ripping. Okay. And right now, it appears that filling these gaps, in my opinion, would not be something out of the realm of possibility. And it also wouldn't be abnormal if they were to fill, in my opinion. Let's get this crypto. And take a look at this chart here, folks. This is the aggregate stablecoin supply 30-day change chart. And you can see that right now we're actually dropping into negative territory here. This is a little bit worrisome for me. Just something to keep in mind. You could see the black line is the Bitcoin price and the blue bars on the bottom are basically the inflows, right? The supply. There's stablecoin going into the market, being created or being pulled out and redeemed, right? So you could see right now, the trend seems to me to be changing. Okay. And let's take a look at this chart right here. This is showing me percent of exchange inflows from private wallets, either a software wallet or a hardware wallet, somebody sending their cold storage Bitcoin to an exchange, right? And why would you be doing this? I mean, it doesn't take a genius to understand what's going on here, right? Ding, 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 chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. People are sending them to the exchange because they obviously have the intent to sell them. Let's get this crypto. And right now, you can see that the orange line, right, which is showing the inflows, that has been steadily increasing as we've seen this price action move downward, right? And I mean, this chart is 2 days old by this point. It's possible that we've even seen more inflows in the past 48 hours. So just understand right now, in my opinion, this is possibly adding and showing that there is a lot of added sell pressure to the Bitcoin market right here, right now. So listen, ladies and gentlemen, right now the Bitcoin price, even as I'm recording this, is still continuing to drop heavily. It just wicked below 31,000 for a split second. Just understand here that this train may be pulling up to capitulation station sooner than we'd like to believe. And I'm going to say that just one more time for the moon boys in the back. This train may possibly be pulling up to capitulation station sooner than we'd like to believe. Let's get this crypto. I'm telling you right now that if we drop below this 28K range, watch out below. Because to me, folks, this is the area where we could see the capitulation take place. I mean, this is a pretty straight line down right now, but sheesh, just imagine the amount of stop losses placed right under this range. Just imagine the liquidations that could potentially take place right under this range. We may be entering a time here of absolute market insanity. And right now, I know that I'm strategizing to potentially crush this potential move to the best of my ability. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're not already in my VIP, that is where I post all of my real-time entry ideas, real-time strategy ideas, and real-time potential take profit ideas. All exclusively there for you as the Don looks to potentially strike gold again. So if you're not already in my VIP, seriously, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. And yeah, the past few months, they've been lackluster for the Bitcoin price. I've been trying to limit my trading inside this range to not get myself wrecked, ladies and gentlemen. The whipsaw type of chop in here is an absolute recipe for disaster. The bots go wild. Everybody goes wild in here. Liquidation, stop loss hunting, etc., right? And the price is going nowhere. That's not the type of environment that I'm looking for potentially life-changing trade setup ideas. It's just not the correct environment. But now that we're breaking out of this range, and with everything I've described over the course of this stream, ladies and gentlemen, just understand that right now the Don is looking at this market like a hawk with an eagle eye, preparing to strike like a cobra out of the grass and potentially get this crypto. So ladies and gentlemen, seriously, if you're not already in my VIP, gear up, because the Don is looking to potentially strike gold again. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, if you did enjoy this stream, I really would appreciate a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that thumbs up. And if you're brand new, welcome to the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all so you don't miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curves. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the link links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. CryptoKirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. CryptoKirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. CryptoKirby may have an interest in securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. CryptoKirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. CryptoKirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.